Alright, green flag is up.
Get ready for the Pro 1 final lead. 5 seconds.
Eto na. Elcid Maningo. Ang ganda na pakakuha. Nasa likod lang. Rai Rai by It. All of this coming from Mindanao. Maningo pa rin. Ang ganda ng linyahan. Bornok Mangosong followed by Rai Rai by It. Is that Terence Napat? Palit ng uniform is Terence Napat. Here we go. Bornok Mangosong settle on third position. Mahaba-haba pa to. We have 15 laps to go. It's all about mind games sa mga pro level natin. Rai Rai by It, 5th position. Elcid Maningo still enjoying the lead. Pero hinahanting siya ni Terence Napat. Nasa likod lang. Third, Bornok Mangosong. Rai Rai by It, 4th. May contact po tayo, Mitch Rivera. And along with Ramento. Medyo mahirap-hirapan na silang makahabol dito. But let's see. So, Elcid Maningo pa rin. Nangunguna. Promising tumbatan to. Very young. May height. May core muscle. And at the same time, very supportive family. Nasa likod lang si Terence Napat. Di ka pwedeng mag-relax dyan, Brad. Di ka pwedeng mag-relax kay kuya mo. Kuya mo, Terence Napat. That's Rai Rai by It. Along with Bornok Mangosong on the roller section. So, battle for third and fourth ito. Let's go back to the leader of the board. Nandito na, Terence Napat. Si kuya mo, galit na galit. Terence Napat nangunguna, followed by Elcid Maningo, who lead the race for at least 2 laps. Right now, let's see if Elcid Maningo will be a mature rider after this one. Nakikita ko, this would be a good race for Maningo along with other top riders. Minsan lang pagsamahin itong mga to, then he could learn from the riders. There we go. Elcid Maningo, nasa likod lang. Kailangan niyang bigyan ng pressure si Terence Napat dito. Different line. Maningo trying to take a different line from Terence Napat. Roller section. Here we go. Yung roller section, nagiging rhythm section na sa mga pro natin. Different line taken by Elcid Maningo. Will that be enough to take Terence Napat? This time around, pareho ng linya. Third, Mangosong, by It, 4th. So that's your 1, 2, 3 rider, including 4th. Number 16, Mitch Rivera. Oh. 21, Gino. Number 21, Planas. Planas nung second.
Jan Ablawan.
Sino ba talaga? Ablawan o ano?
Hindi, ito.
Kasunod din nakan.
Maningo.
Okay.
Napat still leading, followed by Maningo. Then, Bornok Mangosong third. Rai Rai by It, 4th. Mitch Rivera, 5th.
Okay, tingnan natin yung kung he can sustain, no, until to the 5th lap.
Balik tayo sa leader. That's Napat, followed by Maningo. Then Bornok Mangosong third, by It, 4th. Rivera, 5th. Adlawan, 6th. That's Terence Napat on the lead. Now Terence Napat, medyo may speed na over Maningo. He is now building up some lead, at least 1.5 seconds away from Elcid Maningo. Both riders are coming from Mindanao. Nasa likod lang, Bornok Mangosong currently on third position.
So, nakita
15 laps po ito. Let's see kung ano mangyari. Fourth, Rai Rai Bite 8. Fifth, Mitch Rivera.
Okay, partner.
So yung mga nagkaroon ng contact kanina, Adlawan, Ramento, they settle on the back line. Terence Napat enjoying the lead, almost 1.5 seconds now. Eto si Maningo, inaatake ni Bornok Mangusong. While settling on 4th position, that's Bite 8. Inaatake naman ng The Hunter, Mitch Rivera. On the screen right now, that's El Cid Maningo being attacked by the Lion, Bornok Mangusong. Oy! Umatake na ang Leon! They call El Cid Maningo the Baby Lion. Let's see. Oy, bar to bar na to! Sinarado ang bata. So sinarado ni Bornok Mangusong. Wow! El Cid Maningo fighting it out! On the roller section, hindi niya binigay agad. May speed pa rin si Maningo. Let's see what will happen here. Tingnan natin kung makakadikit si Bornok dito. Maningo pressuring Bornok Mangusong. Let's see if this pressure makakatulong para mahabol si Terence Napat. Pag merong battle, in most cases, yung lap time natin nababawasan. Butchokoy. Iraton po. Butchokoy Planas po pala, hindi si El Cid. Butchokoy Planas, early on, following the rear side of Bornok Mangusong. Butchokoy pala. Sorry guys, this is Butchokoy Planas. Mindanao pa rin, Butchokoy Planas. Napakagandang pinakita. Mula kanina, napaka-consistent ng laro ng batang to. 17-year-old. Butchokoy Planas pala. Wow, 17-year-old. Yung nakikita ngayon, that's Butchokoy. Hinihabol, Bornok Mangusong.
Wala po nakabreak sa record ni Mitch Rivera ngayon. Siya yung nakaputol ng finish line. Siya yung nag-isang bumaga. Okay, this is 15 laps of racing. So, ilang laps na lang ang naiwan. Okay, 7 laps.
Planas pa rin.
Ayan, palapit ka si Mitch.
Hinahabol si Bornok. They are on second and third position. First place pa rin, that's Terence Napat. Oy, Mitch Rivera! Binibigay naman ni Butch Plana, ni Butchokoy kay Mitch ang third position. Naku, mukhang naubusan ng hangin si Butchokoy. Rivera took Butchokoy Planas and he is now the new third position.
Terence, second Bornok, third Butchokoy, Mitch, fourth, so tingnan natin.
Leader pa rin natin, that's Terence Napat.
Okay, now third na si Mitch Rivera, fourth is Butchokoy.
Terence pa rin on the lead. Second position, still Bornok Mangusong. We have a new third, that's Mitch Rivera. Planas will settle on fourth position.
Mitch Rivera. Fourth, Butchokoy, and fifth, Rai Rai by Click.
Palit lang ako battery.
Terence Napat enjoying the lead. Bornok Mangusong and Mitch Rivera, naku, ubusan. Butchokoy Planas settle on fourth.
So he is right behind Bornok. Tingnan natin yung mga moves ito, guys.
Bornok pa rin. Duelo with Mitch Rivera. This is the leader, Terence Napat.
Okay, having a good time now, breaking a little bit. From the second rider, that is Terence Napat of Team Kawasaki.
Ang layo ni Terence Napat. Almost 6 seconds ahead from Bornok Mangosong and Mitch Rivera. Butcho Koy Planas, 4th position.
Butcho Koy Planas still on 4th.
Kamali tayo kanina. We thought Butcho Koy Planas is El Cid Maningo. Sorry on that. Oy! Error by Mitch Rivera.
The time of Copico. Supercross Series.
Solid run by Terence Napat.
Okay, bagsak natin yun na. Guys. So we will wait for this, no? So ilang laps na lang naiwan? Do we still have?
Still on the race. Rai Rai Baitit, John Adlawan. Pero yung leader natin, Terence Napat pa rin. Bornok Mangosong and Mitch Rivera, 2nd and 3rd respectively. Kanina, Butcho Koy Planas, nasa lead pack pa siya. Right now, he will settle on 4th position. 17-year-old. Still a good run for Butcho Koy Planas. Duelo pa rin. That's Mangosong and Mitch Rivera.
Hello. Just a reminder, iba yung sequence sa umaga, iba rin ng hapon. Kasi may importanteng
Always nagkakamali si Rivera sa section na yan.
Iba nating rider.
Pero, yung pacing niya with Bornok Mangosong, 3rd and 4th respectively, hindi nagbabago. Iba ng race line. Let's see. Bornok Mangosong. Will Bornok Mangosong play it safe since malayo na si Terence Napat? I think we still have more laps to go, but will it be worth it kung ibibigay niya pang lahat to closing the gap kay Terence Napat? Oy, munti ka na. Kudos to these riders. Yung mga top riders natin, so far wala akong nakikitang mga bad contacts. Sportsmanship nila, napakataas. Terence Napat pa rin, nangunguna pa rin. Still on the race, we still have Rai Rai Baitit, John Adlawan, and Ralph Ramento. Oy! Rivera! Nakuha! Nakuha si Bornok! May hangin pa! Mitch Rivera! Will the remaining laps enough for Mitch Rivera and Bornok Mangosong to close in kay Terence Napat? Terence Napat is enjoying the lead. Solid line. Pero almost 4 seconds na lang, Mitch Rivera nasa likod lang. Kanina layo nito. Mitch Rivera. Butcho Koy Planas will settle on 4th. Early on, siya po yung lumalaban ng 2nd position. Butcho Koy Planas, very consistent on the first half of the race, sitting on 2nd position. Right now, comfortable on the 4th. Oy, white flag na. Last lap na po. Welcome sa last lap. Now we have Terence Napat, 1st position. Mitch Rivera, 2nd position. Bornok Mangosong, 3rd position. On the screen right now, you can see that Mitch Rivera lumilipad sa roller section along with Bornok Mangosong.
Okay, waiting,
Pero
waiting for
solid run
no other
for
time.
Terence Napat, number 18. He's been showing a solid line kaninang umaga pa. So, well-deserved win. Pag walang error to, when he will take. Eto na, Terence Napat.
Riding for Yamaha Racing Philippines.
Terence Napat, final corner.
Okay, to the checkered flag
Checkered flag po tayo. Terence Napat,
from Team Kawasaki Philippines.
there you go. Moto 2,
Napat.
Terence Napat.
And from Team
Followed by
Rivera.
Mitch Rivera. Second position. Third,
And the Lion.
Bornok Mangosong.
Yamaha
Fourth,
Racing Team Philippines.
fourth natin,
And
that's Butcho Koyplana. Great run for Terence Napat, Mitch Rivera in Bornok, taking the first, second, third position.
class